Two dams in the Inner Mongolia Autonomous Region of northwestern China collapsed after heavy rains, the Ministry of Water said Monday, highlighting the safety risks posed by aging infrastructure during the summer flood season. The dam in Ulundar, Inner Mongolia, collapsed on Sunday afternoon. According to the Ministry of Water Resources, they formed a reservoir with a total storage capacity of 46 million cubic meters. People living downstream have been evacuated, and no casualties have been reported, he said. The ministry said it trained an average of 87 mm in Ulundar over the weekend and 223 mm in Morandawa monitoring station. Extreme weather has hit several parts of the world in recent weeks with floods in Europe and heat waves in North America, raising concerns about climate change. The Ulundar city government said in a WeChat account that 16,660 people were affected and 326,622 mu, 53,807 acres, of farmland was submerged. Bridges and other transportation infrastructure have also been destroyed. A video posted on Chinese social media showed that one of the dams was completely washed away and flooded a nearby field. China has more than 98,000 reservoirs used to regulate floods, generate electricity and promote transport. The government acknowledges that more than 80% of them are more than 40 years old and pose some safety risks. The lack of financial resources means that nearly one-third of the total have not completed compulsory safety assessments, Water Resources Deputy Minister Wei Shanzong told the briefing this year.